Now let's go ahead and choose a photo. Brown staircase. This is nice. Let's go to the website. Let's check buy, sell, lease. I prefer an image of a property. So let's look for that. This is nice. Okay, let's see what we can find here. This is good for an interior design website. This one. I'm gonna go ahead and download it. Let's close that. Let's go ahead and open it. See here. There's this. Let's go ahead and change the image from here. Select a file. This one. So it's uploading. Now that it is uploaded, I want to select it. I want to choose it. Okay, I wasn't able to highlight the part of the template where I want the photo. Again, we select it, and there. It's done. I want to make an adjustment. I make it a bit bigger, like that. So really fast and simple. I did not need to learn coding or do coding just to have a picture or put a picture on the page of my website. So really fast and simple. Buy, sell, lease. So we won't put further content on here, so I'll just go ahead and delete that. Yep. Delete it. Delete it. Okay. Let's go back here real quick. Service we offer. This website that I built, by the way, it's a one-page website. It's actually a funnel designed to collect emails for your business, for a real estate business rather. So anywhere you click on here on these buttons, you will be asked to enter your name and email. So you enter your email here and then your first name, and those will go to the owner of this website's email. And once, let's say for example, I am the owner of this website, so when somebody clicks here, on all these buttons, even on this one for the ebook, this is for lead magnet purposes, their emails will go to my email, to the inbox of my email, and from there I can do email marketing. What I would do is I would provide help, I would offer help, provide services, of course, product information, no selling upfront. Upon receiving their emails, it's not good to make a sale, try to make a sale immediately, because people hate that. So what you would do, or what we should do, is provide value first. Provide help, solutions to their concerns. From there, we do a transition to the products and services we offer, and then you provide promotions, discounts, and then irresistible offers. So again, on that one, I'll also make a video on it. If I'm not mistaken, I actually already did, but I'll go ahead and make another video for it. Okay, so going back here. All right. Now, next is, so we have the header for the website, services. Which is the header? Okay, we have the services. Oh, nope, not at the bottom. Want it to go up. I'll just delete that. Want to preview the website and see how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, let's try adding a header to it. Okay, go ahead and do that later. So now, let's see what other panels we can add. So we have the header. Let's see what we can add here. About me. Okay. So let's go ahead and add a profile. Team. So let's say these guys, this panel. Alright, so we have the header, services we offer. Now the theme. Let's go ahead and change this. Meet our team. Save that. Put it on the center. Done. So let's say, so they have names already. Let's say this is my team. So let's say I've changed the picture to their pictures, and let's say these are them. This is my team, literally. Now for the text, I want to change it. Sales. Let's say admin officer. I want to save that. I want to change the text to Let's say black. We'll leave it at black for now. So I want it on the center. Okay. This one. See, I just had to double click on it if I want it the same. But let's go ahead and change it. Sales specialist. Just a reminder, you can put a ruler on it and a grid line. So you can balance everything. You can also remove it. So we have we have an admin officer, sales specialist. Let's say broker. If you learned anything from this video, give it a like. And if you think this would help other people, please do share it. And if you want to learn more, just subscribe and click on the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it for you or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Just like that, this video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!